This is going to be the most technologically advanced bike build I've ever undertaken. I've come to Brink Bike Shop today to build a new trail bike. Brink is where credit cards come to be loaded, wallets and bank accounts go to perish, but where all your mountain bike dreams come true. And I've built all my greatest bikes of all time in this very building. It's the best bike shop. So this is a Marin Rift Zone 29er, short travel trail bike. And for that very bike, today, I'm embarking on my wireless shifting journey thanks to Shimano's brand new XTR group set. It's got cranks and stuff too, but this is incredible, you know, like Di2, wireless shifting, and these come in different cage lengths for e-bikes. This specifically is for this bike, and it looks unbelievable. Wireless, so fast, like faster shifting than anything else. Really light, really robust. It attaches to any hanger. It's got amazing design language that makes it super robust, stops rock strikes ripping it off. It's got closed jockey wheels that are enclosed in here and solid, stop it gunking up. Like, they've absolutely smashed it with this, and I'm so stoked. Like, the shifter's incredible to look at. I think it can do double shifting. It's got the same intuitive shift pattern as a normal Shimano shifter, which I've ridden for years. So the experience is just better, and I'm excited to build this up, along with loads of other stuff. Let's get stuck into it. The rear mech isn't the first thing you'd usually add to a bike build, but I just need to put it on because it's gonna match so sick. It's gonna look incredible. Here we go. Mate, look how sick that looks. Oh my word. And the shifter's gonna match that. This frame was built for this new stuff, and there's no wires, which for me means I might actually stand a chance at building this bike single-handedly. Can't speak, but I might get it together. Right, suspension, Öhlins, 140mm fork. The RXF 36. Yellow works, you know? Always, it's proven. Yeah, we're on here. This is the ultimate build. Wireless. Ready. Bingo. Score it and saw it. Oh, the echoed cries of Swedish technology there. That was like Vikings being let out of my steerer tube, wasn't it? Favourite tool ever, this. Don't call my name, don't call my name, Shimano. Yes! Got to take out the hardtail bar. Haven't ridden this one as a hardtail yet. That's not a hardtail bar, by the way, as a disclaimer, just how it gets shipped, stop it moving around. Kind of annoying I've got to do all this boring stuff just so I can get to the wireless main event. Just going up through the gears, can't wait. Seamless shifting. This is the new Öhlins TTX2 air shock. Looks amazing, brand new aesthetics, quite chunky. It's going to look sick on this bike, but actually it looks really cool. Öhlins is just as factory and Nürburgring and race as things get. So as well as the wireless stuff, there's an entire new group set. That is so nice. How gorgeous is that as a crank? And if we offer it up, honestly, really good. The collab we didn't know we needed, the Marin wireless XTR Shimano Dream Build. That is unreal. How good are they? They're so light. So unbelievably light. I've got 165mm crank arms. I've always liked short crank arms because I'm a dirt jump rider. It's starting to look really insane. We're getting one step closer to consistent, perfect, fast wireless shifting. Even better with a chainring, isn't it? Big grease around this. Get a bit of grease in there. Over the last few years, I've had some of the best cranks, titanium Cane Creek E-Wings ones, the 5 Dev crazy ones I've got on my dirt jump bike, but they're just the most classic, perfect looking pair of cranks. That's honestly beautiful, and it ties in so well with everything. This is sick. I've got, by the way, if you use the code Matt Jones with Brink, brink.uk, their bike shop, There's 5% off everything, like even bikes, even the top e-bike, you can save 5%, which is loads of money. So use code Matt Jones, most of the stuff on this bike, the Shimano drivetrain, all that's available on their website. You can save money if you're building up a bike. We realised we didn't have all the parts, or certainly not all the colour match parts to complete this bike. So I've brought my Alpine Trail over as a donor bike, because this bar and stem from Gusset is XTR grey. So that's going to match everything. So I'm going to whip that off. And these have got silver collars on the grips, which matches. Nice, look at that. Yeah. Another new feature of the group set of the brakes, like these look so good, don't they? They look powerful, they are powerful. Since getting into hardline and stuff, I've like unlocked this discovery of really what good brakes are capable of across a several minute downhill race, not overheating and things. And these are going to be the absolute best of the best. On this bike, they're going to look insane. I mean, they just look phenomenal, don't they? The design of all this stuff is just so sick. So I'm really lucky. 2 elite pieces of XTR become one. Got some help now for hose cutting. Well, second opinion rather than help, second opinion. We're going to go real tidy, yeah? The whole bike's tidy, we're wireless, so we may as well reduce any other cabling where possible. Like this little nifty Marin feature here. There's like a bolt within a bolt on the shock to carry that hose. What are you like?
Yeah, it's on both sides as well.
Yeah, I don't need it on both sides because I'm wireless. Isn't it? Kian's blown away by the weight, or the lack of weight, of the XTR group set cassette. Get that on the scales, bro. That's astonishing. So sick. And that colour. Matches the bars, matches everything, matches the bike, matches the whole thing. Annoyingly, again, don't have the right wheels. The XTR rotors, I've got a centre lock, but my wheels are 6-bolt off the donor bike. This is going to be an ongoing project, I think, making this perfect. We'll be done soon, and then off to Wales to ride the thing. Come on, Kian.
373 grams.
How much?
373.
373. What's that in the price of things? Let's grab another cassette. What's that one there? So what, SRAM?
There. Is this, yes.
454. That's insane.
Yes. This is quite romantic.
We met inside of an XTR group. He was doing the chain while I was doing the cover.
Yeah.
Bosh! Everything about this bike is just a joy to look at, isn't it? It's so beautiful. Everything matches, the colours are insane. The bar and stem, the cockpit is XTR grey. Even the collar on this KS wireless seat post is silver. So now the bike is completely complete, and I'm here in Wales to test ride it. So the Marin Rift Zone is the bike that I did the house jump on. So I love this frame, but that was a 27.5. This is the Rift Zone XR as a 29er, so it's more trail bike, which means more pedaling, which means more shifting, which means my XTR wireless group set is just going to have the time of its life over the coming winter months, and it looks insane. I really am in love with the brakes. How tidy the front end is, with no dropper cable, no shifter cable. It was so easy to sync up. It's just all the things you want from brand new high-tech equipment, and I've now got it on this amazing bike. I'm pretty sure you can retrospectively fit the wireless shifter and mech to an existing bike, like the same chain, same cassette, same chain ring. You can just swap the shifter and mech, which is really cool. I think most bikes you need the whole group set. With this, that could be like a halfway house upgrade to making your bike wireless. Let's go and ride. Can't wait. I've ever put my fingers on. Drivetrain's so quiet, makes you feel like a hero. Whoa! Whoa! Oh wow, these brakes! Right into the bottom section. There's so much brake feel. Can't describe how good it is. Oh! Yes! Dude! I know I've been giving it the big one about the wireless gears and everything, which feel just so crisp and so nice. But these brakes are bonkers, like best brakes ever. You can like guide and steer the whole bike just through your fingers. I don't know what it is. It's just unreal. I was about to say it's electric. It literally is. It's just so sharp, so nice, so crisp, so fast, so light, so flash. Bragging rights down the pub, legends.